So here it's given that if the ratio sine theta plus phi over cosine of theta minus phi is given by 1 minus m over 1 plus m, then we need to find out the value of the trigonometric expression, which is the product of two tangent function. Tangent of pi over 4 minus theta times tangent of pi over 4 minus phi. So let us begin. So we'll start with a given condition. So we are given sine of theta plus phi divided by cosine of theta minus phi. So it's given that this is equals to the ratio 1 minus m over 1 plus m, where m is some number. Now what we'll do, we'll use the method known as the componendo and dividendo. That means, let's say if we have the ratio a over b and that's equals to another ratio c over d, then the method of componendo and dividendo states that if we do a plus b over a minus b, this will be equals to c plus d over c minus d. So this is the method that we are going to use. So we'll begin from the left hand side. So first what we'll do, we'll take the numerator, which is sine theta plus phi. To it we are going to add the denominator, which is cosine of theta minus phi, whole divided by, then in the denominator we take the numerator part, which was sine theta plus phi, and from it subtract cosine of theta minus phi. Now we have to do that to the right hand side as well. So we have 1 minus m added to 1 plus m divided by, we have 1 minus m, from it we are going to subtract 1 minus m. Fine, so let's do that. So now we will get sine theta plus phi plus cosine of theta minus phi. But I'm going to rewrite cosine of theta minus phi and convert it to sine function as sine of pi over 2 minus theta minus phi. So what I'm doing here is using the identity that if we have sine pi over 2 minus some angle theta, then this becomes equivalent to cosine theta. All we're doing is we have the cosine function, we are converting into sine function so that we have both cosine function in the numerator. Similarly, we'll do that to the denominator part as well. So we have sine of theta plus phi minus, so that will convert this cosine to sine. So we'll have sine of angle pi over 2 minus of theta minus phi. Fine. So on the right hand side here we have negative m and positive m cancelling out. So we have 2 divided by the 1 and 1 cancelling out. So we have negative 2m in the denominator. Fine. The reason why we made this conversion, because in the numerator now we have is the sum of two sine function, and in the denominator we have the difference of two sine function. So here we can use the transformation formula. So let's say if we have sine of alpha plus sine of beta, so this is the sum of two sine function. It transforms as a product of 2 times sine of angle alpha plus beta divided by 2 multiplied to cosine of angle alpha minus beta over 2. And if we have the difference of two sine function, that means sine alpha minus sine beta, so this is going to transform as 2 times cosine of angle alpha plus beta over 2 multiplied to sine of angle alpha minus beta over 2. So we'll employ these two transformation formula such that in the numerator portion now we have 2 times sine of angle. So we'll first need to add them. So we have theta, let's do it, theta plus phi added to pi over 2 minus theta plus phi, and we're going to divide this value by 2 multiplied to cosine of angle. So we'll have to subtract it, so this time we'll have theta plus phi minus pi over 2 plus theta minus phi whole divided by 2. Then we go to the denominator portion. So we have 2 times cosine of angle theta plus phi added to pi over 2 minus theta plus phi divided by 2 multiplied to sine of angle theta plus phi minus pi over 2 plus theta minus phi divided by 2. So this will be equals to negative 1 over m. So we're factored out 2 from the numerator and the denominator. Let's further simplify. Now here we can see that theta and negative theta factors out. We have here positive phi and negative phi. Similarly in the denominator, theta theta and phi, negative phi factoring out. So let's rewrite it. We can also factor out 2 from the numerator into denominator. So now we have sine of angle. So we have phi plus phi, so that's 2 phi. 2 phi added to pi over 2, but we're dividing by 2. So we'll have pi over 4 plus phi. Going to the next one, we have cosine of angle. So here we have 2 theta, then we have theta minus pi over 4, whole divided by, we have cosine of angle pi over 4 plus phi multiplied to sine of angle theta minus pi over 4. This will be equals to negative 1 over m. Now all we have to do is rewrite this angle, cosine of theta minus pi over 4. However, we know that our cosine is an even function. That means cosine of theta minus pi over 4. So this can be also expressed as cosine of negative times pi over 4 minus theta. Now since cosine is an even function, so this is equals to cosine of pi over 4 minus theta. So we can also work around with the sine function. So sine of theta minus pi over 4, this can be written as sine of negative times pi over 4 minus theta, but sine is an odd function. So we'll have to take care of the sine by multiplying with the negative numbers. We have negative sine of pi over 4 minus theta. We're going to replace this value. So we get sine of angle pi over 4 plus phi multiplied to cosine of angle pi over 4 minus theta, whole divided by, we have cosine of angle pi over 4 plus phi multiplied to negative times sine of angle pi over 4 minus theta. So this will be equals to negative 1 over m. So here we can multiply both sides with negative 1 to get rid of the negative sign. So we have positive on both sides. Now we have sine pi over 4 plus phi divided by cosine pi over 4 plus phi. So this will become tangent of pi over 4 plus phi multiplied to, now we have the ratio cosine over sine. So this will become cotangent of pi over 4 minus theta. So this is equals to 1 over m. So let's take the reciprocal on both sides. So we have tangent of pi over 4 minus theta, because reciprocal of the cotangent function is a tangent function, whereas reciprocal of the tangent function will become the cotangent function. So we have cotangent of pi over 4 plus phi. This will be equals to m. Now in a problem we are given, we need to find out the value of the product between tangent of pi over 4 minus theta times tangent of pi over 4 minus phi. So that's fine. Here we have to convert this cotangent function to the tangent function. So we're going to use the fact that tangent of pi over 2 minus theta, so that corresponds to cotangent of theta. So that means we can rewrite our expression. So we have tangent of pi over 4 minus theta. So this cotangent function will be simply tangent of pi over 2 minus the angle. The angle is pi over 4 plus phi. This is equals to m. And finally, we should get tangent of pi over 4 minus theta multiplied to tangent of, so we have pi over 2 minus pi over 4, so that will become pi over 4. Then we have negative phi. This will be equals to m. So we have successfully found out that the product of tangent of pi over 4 minus theta times tangent of pi over 4 minus phi, that equals to m.